Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Friday. Despite a weak cold front passing to the south of the country, we're not expecting any rain today. In fact, it's going to be a warm and windy afternoon over the western interior. Meanwhile, some high cloud moves in from the west, affecting the western and central parts of South Africa, while it's another cloudy start to the day in Limpopo, becoming sunny in the afternoon. Expect pleasant conditions along the east coast this afternoon with high daytime temperatures and light to moderate northeasterlies. We're not expecting any precipitation today. We're saving that for the weekend. Western Cape and daytime temperatures will be high in the west as well. 32 degrees in Vredendal, 28 in Springbok, Uppington in the upper 20s as well, with 25 degrees forecast for Kimberley, 24 in Bloemfontein and Mahikeng, Bombela and Cape Town at 24 degrees as well. Lower 20s along the south coast, that's due to an onshore circulation, and it's going to be pleasantly warm along the east coast with 26 degrees in Durban and Richards Bay, with 25 in East London. Let's take a look at the wind forecast for the coastal areas. Light offshore winds along the west coast, accompanied by a long period southwesterly swell that reaches 2.5 meters in the open ocean, but can result in higher breakers than usual. High tide is expected at 13 minutes past 11 this morning. Along the southwest coast, light winds for the Atlantic seaboard, fresh southeasterlies further south towards Hermanus, and easterly winds up to 30 kilometers per hour likely in Cape Agulhas, with a southwesterly swell of 3 meters and long period swells causing higher breakers than normal. Along the southeast coast, wind speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, slightly stronger in Mossel Bay, with a southwesterly swell up to 2 meters in the open ocean, and low tide is expected shortly before 6 o'clock this evening. Pleasant conditions along the east coast, northeasterlies of 20 kilometers per hour in Durban today, lighter winds along the wild coast with a southeasterly swell of only 1 meter.
Know more. eNCA.com